What's up everyone? Welcome back to Car Culture, the channel where we talk about machines that keep our adrenaline alive. Today we're diving into one of the most talked about lightweight dual sports of the future, the 2027 Yamaha WR125R. If you're a rider who wants serious off-road attitude with everyday usability, this bike is shaping up to be a very exciting package. The 2027 Yamaha WR125R is expected to continue Yamaha's legacy of building reliable, race-inspired dual-sport motorcycles. Designed for beginners, commuters, and weekend trail riders alike, this bike blends agility, durability, and modern tech into a lightweight platform. Yamaha is likely to keep the liquid-cooled 125cc single-cylinder engine, but with updated tuning to meet newer emission standards while still delivering punchy low-end torque and smooth power delivery. This makes it perfect for city riding during the weekend trail adventures on the weekend. One of the biggest strengths of the WR125R has always been its chassis, and the 2027 model is expected to take that even further. A lightweight steel or semi-aluminum frame paired with long travel suspension should give riders confidence on rough terrain. Yamaha is known for quality suspension components, so expect adjustable front forks and a responsive rear monoshock that can handle jumps, rocks, and uneven trails without feeling unstable. On the road, the bike should still feel planted and easy to control, especially for newer riders. Design-wise, the 2027 WR125R is rumored to adopt a sharper, more aggressive look inspired by Yamaha's larger WR and Enduro models. Slim body panels, bold graphics, LED lighting, and a digital LCD instrument cluster could all be part of the update. These features not only modernize the bike but also improve visibility and rider information, giving it a premium feel in the 125cc category. Braking and safety are also expected to improve. Disc brakes on both ends with optional or standard ABS would make the WR125R safer for street use while still allowing confident off-road performance. Lightweight wheels with dual sport tires should provide excellent grip on both asphalt and dirt, making this bike a true all-rounder. Now let's talk about the price, because that's where the WR125R really shines. The expected price tag for the 2027 Yamaha WR125R is around $5,200 to $5,500 USD, depending on the market and features offered. This pricing keeps it competitive against rivals while offering Yamaha's proven reliability and build quality. Overall, the 2027 Yamaha WR125R looks set to be a fantastic option for riders who want versatility, style, and performance without breaking the bank. If you're into lightweight adventure, daily commuting, or learning real off-road skills, this bike deserves a spot on your radar. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comments. This is Car Culture, and we'll see you in the next video.